girl Joe and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you my eyebrow routine from start to finish, like how I do them and then like how I fold them in, the whole process. You know, if you want your eyebrows like mine, all nice and fleek, then continue watching this video to see what I do. First, I fill in my eyebrows with the CoverGirl brow powder to determine the shape of the brows I want. This doesn't have to be perfect, just enough so you know what shape that you want your eyebrows to look like. After brushing out my eyebrows, I just take some small scissors to trim the extra long hairs. I brush upward and get the hairs on top, and then later I'll be brushing downwards and getting the hair on the bottom. I'll be using the Veet hair removal cream with an old makeup blush to apply around my eyebrows. Now this step is the most important because this will truly determine the shape of your brows, and if you place too much Veet on the wrong area, it can and will remove more hair than you want it to. You can do one eyebrow at a time, but for this video I did both my eyebrows at the same time, and I'll be leaving on the Veet for about 6 minutes. After the 6 minutes are over, I'm using a damp washcloth to remove the Veet from my eyebrows, and I'm removing the Veet away from my eyebrows to make sure I don't remove any more hair. Splash some water on my face after the Veet is all gone and pat it dry with a towel. I take my Veet gentle finishing cream and just rub it into my eyebrows after the whole process is over. I use tweezers to remove any stubborn hairs, and then I'll also be going in with my eyebrow razor to guarantee that there are no small little hairs growing. First, I draw a line underneath my eyebrows to begin to define the shape, and then I draw a line on the edge of my arch, and then I start to fill in the top and all around inside the eyebrow. I spoolie out my brows and I just fill in the areas that need more powder, and that's how I fill in my eyebrows. Because my eyebrows were recently done and I don't actually need concealer, I opted out and didn't use concealer to clean up my eyebrows. Hey guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you want more like beauty routine videos like this, like my skincare routine, like what I do in the shower to maintain my nice lovely smooth skin and more stuff like that, you know, just leave a comment down below and you know, I'll definitely film one for you guys. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share with all of your friends. Until next time, bye.
Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. I'm Luke Skywalking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday.